As a part of the first activity of training program, first few activities of the training program, we will be using Microsoft Excel to perform data analytics. This is Microsoft Excel document. Okay, in the next video I will show it in maximized form, but this is what we call Microsoft Excel. In the data field, we usually see data analysis options. Okay, so we don't see any data analysis options over here. To activate data analysis options, though, like if you have data analysis options, still I suggest you to cross check whether all the data analysis options are activated for your Microsoft Excel or not. To activate it, you are supposed to cross check from file. In the file there will be option called options. Okay, click on options. In that, click on options, just check this is add-in. There will be add-in box. In that, we can see active add-ins and inactive application add-ins. In inactive application, like just cross check for these two names, analysis toolpack, analysis toolpack VPA. I just want you people to just add these two things. Do one thing, just click, just click on go. So here you can see analysis pack and analysis toolpack. Check both the things, just click OK. It automatically adds data analysis. Now you can see that there is a term by data analysis. When you click on that, it will be showing various options to perform analysis on the data that is available. So these are some of the options that we will be having: ANOVA, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics. These are some popular analytical tools related analytical tools that we use to conduct analysis on the data that is available. Okay, just activate this one, and from the next video I will be explaining you the activities. All right, before you start that one, activate this data analysis toolpack. Okay, thank you guys.